These notes are over horizontal and vertical lines. Remember, the slope of a horizontal line is 0. What is the equation of a horizontal line that passes through 3, 2? So we're going to start with point slope form. So the slope is 0. The x value is 3. And the y value is 2. So this would be the equation in point slope form. So if I distribute it, 0 times x is just 0, and 0 times -3 is still 0. So I have y minus 2 equals 0. Then I would add 2 to both sides. So my equation would be y equals 2. So let's look at what it will look like if I graph that. So it would go through the y-axis at 2, and it would be a horizontal line. So I like to think of horizontal lines like this. This equation is just y equals 2. There's no x variable in this equation. So I like to think of it as, if there's no x variable in the equation, that means the line will never touch the x-axis. It will be a horizontal line that never touches the x-axis. Okay, so the equation of a horizontal line is always y equals b, where b is the y-coordinate of every point on the line. Remember, the slope of a vertical line is undefined. What is the equation of a vertical line that passes through 3, 2? So if I look at this graph, the equation of each vertical line is x equals a, where a is the x-coordinate of every point on the line. So this would be x equals, and the x value here is 3. So remember, vertical lines are not a function. So it is not going to pass the vertical line test because it's not a function. So it's not going to start with y, it's going to start with x. Every linear equation is always y equal, but this one, it's not. It's the only one that's x equal. So vertical lines are not a function. That's why it does not have a slope. The slope is undefined. All these x values here repeat. It's the only line on the graph that is not a function and does not have a slope. So think of the equation. If it's x equal, this equation does not have a y. So it is going to be a line that never touches the y-axis. It goes to x equals 3, and it's a vertical line. So recap, horizontal lines are y equals. Vertical lines are x equal.